Welcome back. Continuing the news. Ocho Rios, the tourist mecca in St. Anne, is fastly becoming the epicenter of COVID-19 in that parish. This has prompted a visit by the Health Minister, Dr. Christopher Tufton, and a team from the Ministry of Health who've been assessing the situation. Shamela Pullen has that story.
To date, of the almost 5,600 COVID-19 cases recorded in Jamaica, 219 are from St. Anne. Medical Officer of Health for the parish, Dr. Tamika Henry, says only 66 cases are active. However, Dr. Henry says Ocho Rios has over 27% of the cases in the parish, and it is now an area of concern.
The taxis sometimes realize that they're getting a little bit lapse in terms of the persons who are traveling in their taxis. Remember, taxi drivers, you're supposed to take one less person than you are licensed to carry. We want persons to remember you can get COVID anywhere. As Minister said, right now we are in community spread. And so quite a number of persons have COVID-19.
It's not just taxi operators who are not adhering to the COVID-19 protocols. During a tour of Ocho Rios on Wednesday, this woman was seen without a mask. She caught the attention of Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton, who tried to give her one, but she refused. For a while, the woman was seen arguing that the mask was not necessary. Dr. Tufton says persons must be mindful because the disease is in the community spread phase. He says these are among other reasons why public education is critical.
I'm very aware, and the government is very aware, that many Jamaicans are concerned about the COVID numbers, the increasing number of positive cases, increasing deaths. And it is understandable why Jamaicans are concerned.
Another challenge in the parish is COVID-19 workplace protocols. Vanna Taylor is the president of the St. Anne Chamber of Commerce.
We are policed in the tourism sector by TPDCO and health. But the other commercial entities, as Minister spent the day with us at the chamber today and visited some of our entities, we are ensuring that they continue to adhere to all the protocols that are necessary under this pandemic.
I want to appeal not just to logic, but to the emotions of the Jamaican people, that all of us, we cannot overcome these risks that the world is facing unless all of us play our part.
Shamela Pullen, TVJ News.